Hello, hello, welcome back to the channel. Diane here. I'm so glad you could join me again. Today we're still doing some Crafty Christmas in July 24. I am enjoying this collab so much. There were so many generous designers that donated. I wanted to make sure that we highlight them. Thank you so much, everyone. Beautiful papers from everyone. Unfortunately, I can't use them all because I craft too slow. I do love them all, though. You'll be seeing them throughout the year. So I just wanted to remind you, all this information's in the box down below, but there is a drawing for Crafty Christmas in July 24. Some kits from the designers will be given away on August 1st. All you have to do is make your own Christmas project using kits or not using kits, whatever you want to do, just Christmas. And use the hashtag Crafty Christmas in July 24, and then post it in the Sweet Pea Papers Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group or the Junk Journal Tutorials and More Facebook group. Each post is an entry, so if you post in both groups, you get 2 entries. So, awesome sauce. So, what am I doing for my second project? We are using the Natty Moon Holly Jolly kit. It's really, really cute. It's retro Christmas Santas. Look at that. I like to print her pages double-sided. They're so pretty. Look at this, cookies and milk. Oh, looks good enough to eat. So it's got the traditional rustic red and green. Oh, look at this hot cocoa. That's amazing. It's got the traditional thing going on, so I love that. And then this is the scrap pack that's also called Holly Jolly. It has some cool background papers. I may use these for tags or journal cards or what have you. I love how deep maroon that color is. Oh, gorgeous. And then this one looks so rustic. Like that would be good for a farm journal. And then, of course, this tag I didn't cut out yet because there's lots of pieces. There's like it's like tagception going on. You got a pocket tag with a pocket tag with a tag that goes in it. You know, I wanted to keep all the pieces together because knowing me, I will lose them. So, but the other pieces of both kits, which they both have a lot of good extra ephemera. There's journal cards, pockets, an envelope, more journal cards, little tiny pockets. We got these bookmarks / tall skinny tags. Just all the happiness. This little one I'd probably fold and make a little file folder. So cute. Tags and cards, envelopes, a couple little booklets. I love this Santa. He's my favorite. Then this big old envelope. Okay, so that's what we're going to be using. And once I get cleaned up and ready to come back, we will start making some tags to go in the journal we're making. So I will see you in just a bit after my camera batteries charge. Be right back. All right, so here we are back again. I pulled out the Natty Moon Holly Jolly scrap pack pages. I think the first thing I want to do, I'm doing another little golden book with Natty's kit. So I think the first thing I want to do is the large time cards that I put in the front of each signature. I think I'm going to try this one with 4 signatures instead, so I have an even number and I can put a hole reinforcer. That's my symbol for hole reinforcer. And maybe make a dangle. So I was thinking about a, spine dangle. That would be really, really cute on these. So either way, I got to start with the time cards anyway. Let's see. These are my time cards. I got them from Office Depot. There's information if you want to order some. I just found them at the store and picked them up, so they were not expensive, but I got them a while ago. Let's see. So I'm going to cut this down. I want us to be just under 7 inches, so I'm just going to use this line right here because this is just under 7 inches. I'll save this little little piece to make a cluster or a tiny journal card or something. So waste not, want not. It's also good cardstock. You can make a tiny pocket. Maybe I'll put a tiny pocket on these after I'm done. Who knows? So how's everyone doing? I hope you're doing well. I am actually filming this on July 4th, so if you hear any loud craziness outside, that's what it is. They haven't started yet, but you never know. It will be here eventually. I really love this page. I think I'm going to start with this one. Okay, so let me see how many of these I can fit on here. Looks like 3 is what I'm going to get, so we'll have to use one of the other pages for this one. And look at this. This one's going to have a tree. This one's going to have script. And this one's going to have a beautiful poinsettia. So that's going to be awesome. All right, let us flip this over. And I want to glue this side down. I want to write on this side, so I just think it's more interesting than the side with the days. I don't know. It doesn't really matter. They're both kind of cool. I like these time cards because they have the green printing. That's, you know, Christmassy, so I went with it. I'll clean off my glue here. My glue's getting down to the last bits. And coincidentally, I am getting down in altered paper clips, so I think that might have to be my next video. Just use up the rest of the glue making altered paper clips. That's what I did to my last glue bottle. They lasted me a good long time. They were easy to make, a bunch of them pretty quickly. I think that'll have to be a Christmas video. Ticket, altered paper clips, plus decorating. Oh, those are always fun. But I liked having them ready. When I was doing the Frosty journals, it was very nice to just pick out a paper clip and put some embellishments on it, and away you go. I have an idea for the next batch where I could cover both sides of the paper clip, so we'll see how that pans out. Maybe that'll be cool. Maybe I'll decorate both sides of it. Since you do see the paper clip on the back of the paper, you know, just stream of consciousness, just talking, chatting, chatty. So, I got some great news at work. We're taking a long weekend for July 4th. We're not going in on Friday, so that's awesome. I do love me a 4-day weekend. Hoping I can hit up the thrift stores on Friday. I'm pretty sure most of them should be open. That would be Bum City if they weren't. May catch a sale or two, but it's just nice to be out and about when you should be working and you're playing hooky. I don't get that opportunity very often. But July is the time. All right, look at that. All right, let's cut them apart and see what we got. I may also, after the glue dries, I may take these to the sewing machine and stitch around the edge. That might be cool. I probably should cut off this strip first. Just try to keep that in one long piece. Oh, here comes my honey. I'm in between filming videos and working on stuff. I've been trying to clean my craft room too. I know it's like a never-ending battle, especially since I just drug out all the Christmas stuff. It's just, there's an insane amount of stuff everywhere. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. You know what? I may cut these into tag shapes this time. That would be cool. Oh, yep, I see him. He's got my rack out there. So, like I was saying, my husband just pulled up. He took a rack that had baskets on it, and he's putting a wood bottom on it so it can be rolled on casters, because it's just a rack. Now it's going to be a rolling rack. I think I'm going to use it for like my projects in progress, so I can load stuff into that and then put it away when it's done instead of having it literally surrounding me on the floor. So yeah, hopefully that works. Help me be a little more organized. That's going to be awesome. Yeah, I hear him rolling it around in the living room. Okay. And snip, snip, snip. So we got 3 beautiful cards out of 1 printout. That's awesome. Okay, what am I going to do? I think I am going to cut the tag shape on these. I'm going to go right there. Flip it over. Oh, that's cute. I'm just going to use that for the other 2 as well while we're here. Cute. Alrighty. So now we've got 3 gorgeous large tags. What did these end up coming out to be? They are 3 1/4 by 6 7/8. So almost 7 inches. Nice. Gorgeous. Alright. I don't know if I even want to decorate the front. I do know I want to put something on the back. So let's do the backs. I have some tags and some punch shapes. I wanted to use a Christmas tag and then maybe a pretty punch label that I had. Just to give you something on the back to look at. I think I'm going to have to take this string off. This tag was actually made for me by one of my friends in another group. We do a Christmas exchange every year and we number the days so you have something to open every day. So much fun. I love that. It's fun opening every day and it's fun picking out gifts for someone else too. I kind of like that. I like it a lot. Yeah, let's glue that down. Then we'll see if it needs something else. I mean, I want to leave you some space to write, but I also wanted to put something pretty on the back. Ooh, this glue is getting thick. It's a good thing I'm using this up. Here we go. Oh, that's so cute. Oh yeah, definitely some black thread around the outside. I think that'll be cute. I may staple some fabric or something up for a topper. These are very, very tall, but my journals are going to have things poking out the top also, so it doesn't matter if it goes a little high. Oh, I think that paper's upside down. So maybe when you get to this one, you'll journal something about the 8th day of Christmas, since it has a number 8 on it. I don't even remember which one that is. Is that birds or is that people? Oh, Lordy. Okay. Isn't this cute? Okay, so when I'm sewing this one, I'm going to have to make sure I keep that out of the way. Oh my goodness, look at that. That was so fast. I don't know how long it's been, but it was really fast. 3 large tags to put in the front of our signatures. Alrighty. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I hope you enjoyed this really quick craft, and I hope you find yourself some nice cardstock and make some tags of your own. These were very, very simple, and oh, you know what? I really kind of like these fabric swatches, fabric clusters. Not that one. Maybe this. Yeah, that's a little busy. Ooh, I kind of like that lace. Okay, I'm going to glue these on, and then I'm going to call these done. Every tag needs a little fabric, right? Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. If you could, I would appreciate it if you could give me a thumbs up, subscribe, leave me a little comment, tell me what you think about these tags, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks everybody. Bye.